Very good morning students, how are you all? So students, today we will start with our 11th chapter of English 2 and that is number of nouns. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. Here we will learn that how to turn singular into plural with different concepts and different methods. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. Okay friends, so let's start with the chapter. Now see, number of nouns, what does this mean? We are going to change singular nouns into plural ones. For example, if there is one boy, we will say boy. If there is more than one boy, we will say boys. Okay? See, for example, a girl was dancing. I have written here a girl was dancing. So here a girl, I need to say here one girl. So this girl stands for particularly for one singular noun. And next sentence I have written some girls are dancing. So here this word girls. Here, this word girls, this will stand for particular more than one person, animal or thing. This will stand for only one person, animal, thing. Okay, and this will stand for more than one person, animal, thing. I have turned this girl, which is a singular, into plural, which is girls. You understood, kids? Now we will be learning different methods how to change singular into plural. See, now the first one is if you are having a single word and you want to turn it into plural, then by adding s you can turn it into plural. For example, if I say a balloon, it can be turned into plural by balloons. Rose, roses. Uncle, uncles. Lake, lakes. Game, kings. Now see students, these are very simple words where you have to just add an s and then you will be converting it to plural. Now there are different methods also by which you have to add different letters. Only after that the word can be converted into plural. Okay. So here if we are seeing nouns which end in a hissing sound, where how to turn into plural. जो nouns hissing sound में sound करते हैं जैसे ch, s, sh, us. These are the nouns. How to turn them into plural? We cannot just add s to turn into plural. हम यहाँ पे ऐसे वाले वर्ड्स में सिर्फ s ऐड करके प्लूरल में टर्न कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? देखो, जैसे च, स, श. तो for these kind of words we have to add es in the last. What we have to add? We have to add es. Say for example, here I have written patch. What I have written? kids, is this clear? Right now see, you have to open your page number 57. Okay, now on page number 57 there are how to form plurals. There are given n number of words, बहुत सारे words दिए हैं, you have to read them. ठीक है, they are all forms, you have to read them. After that you have to do exercise 1, exercise 2. exercise 2 में क्या करना है? It is the same thing, give singulars of each of the following. ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज 2 में प्लूरल्स दिए हैं, आपको उसका सिंगुलर फॉर्म देना है. जैसे ग्रेप्स है तो ग्रेप, टमाटोज है तो टमाटो, फिर फोटोज है तो फोटो, काव्स है तो काफ. ठीक है, आपको सारे का सिंगुलर फॉर्म देना है. अब ये बच्चों आपको कैसे आएगा? ओनली इफ़ यू रीड द एंटायर रूल्स जो पेज नंबर 57 और 58 पे दिए हैं. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू देम, ओनली देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइजेज. नाउ एक्सरसाइज 3 में क्या है? Change the following sentences from singular to plural. ठीक है, see for example, number 1 has been done for you. There was a book on the shelf. I am doing number 2 for you. There was a book on the shelf. तो book मतलब singular है. अगर मुझे इसको plural बनाना है तो मैं क्या करूँगी? There were books on the shelf. क्योंकि ये एक से ज़्यादा बुक हो जाएगी तो I will say there were books on the shelf. Then Here see, the man drank a glass of water. यहाँ पे दिया है the man drank a glass of water. ठीक है, अब ये एक मैन है, अगर मुझे एक से ज़्यादा करना है तो the man मतलब MEN मैन यूज़ करूँगी मैं. The man drank glasses of water. ठीक है, the man drank glasses. ये स से एंड कर रहा है, देखो तो हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? पीछे ES ऐड करेंगे बच्चों. ठीक है, now one more I will do for you. Wait. The leaf fell from the tree. Okay, the leaf fell from the tree. तो ये जो नाउन है यहाँ पे वो F से एंड कर रहा है, तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? The leaves. अगर कोई भी वर्ड, कोई भी नाउन F से एंड कर रहा है तो हम उसमें ऐड करेंगे VES. तो that will be the leaves fell from the trees. Okay, so in this way you have to do this exercise 3. Then you will also be doing exercise 4. Change the following sentences from plural to singular. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है? The babies sucked their toes. तो उसको हमें singular बनाना है, तो मैं क्या लिखूँगी? The baby sucked their toe. Toes नहीं, toe. Wolves killed the sheep. तो क्या लिखेंगे? Wolf. VES है तो we will convert into singular by adding F. तो wolf killed the sheep. The lady has watch. ठीक है, तो these sentences you have to convert from plural into singular. So you are supposed to do all these exercises, kids, and whatever doubts you have we are going to discuss in our doubt session. Yes students, so I hope you have understood this chapter very clearly. Go through the textbook exercises. The PDF of this chapter is very small, which you have to note down in your English 2 notebook. Okay, and whatever doubts you have, you can ask me in our doubt solving session. Till then, take care kids. Bye bye.